don't care about anybody else but you. Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you deal? Would you go? Let me know. So, what if I just lose my mind? Make a scene and run around. Show you what I feel inside all the time. Hey, what if I just lose my mind? Scream until the air runs out. I don't really care 'cause I lose my mind. I can't keep hiding in the darkness. My feelings need a little sun. I hope you don't think that I'm heartless. I just can't be the one you want right now. Hold back all the things I feel. If I hold back, maybe they're not real. What if I don't and just let you do it? Would you go?
y'all doing today, guys? Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all had a great week. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Kindly remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. Y'all are greatly appreciated. God bless you all. So just a quick one for you guys. God bless. Please remember, guys, to stay tuned for the live. Please remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.